Excel is not a word processing application, but sometimes you might need to change the case of given text. You can use upper, lower, or proper functions to automatically change the case of existing text to uppercase, lowercase, or proper case. In column A, some names are in uppercase, some in lowercase, and some mixed up. Use the proper function to convert the names in column A to proper case, which capitalizes only the first letter in each word. First, insert a temporary column next to the column that contains the text you want to convert. In cell B2, type equal to proper within parenthesis A2, then press enter. You can see the first letter of first name, middle initial, and first letter of last name are capitalized. Now using fill handle, copy the formula to rest of cells in the column. Now select the values in the new column B and copy them. Right click on cell A2, click on paste, and then click on values. This step enables you to paste just the names and not the underlying formulas, which you don't need to keep. You can then delete column B since it is no longer needed. Upper function forces all letters to be uppercase. Lower function forces all letters to be lowercase. If you want to capitalize only the first letter of a sentence, you can use different formulas depending on how the text is. To capitalize the first letter of the first word and leave everything as is, use this formula. The formula uses the left function to extract the first character from the string in the cell. It then uses the upper function to change the case of the first letter to upper. It then joins the rest of the string, which is extracted using the right function. If there are words that already have capitalized alphabets, these would not be changed. Only the first letter would be capitalized. Another scenario could be where you want to capitalize the first letter of the first word and change the rest to lowercase. Using the lower function changes the rest of the string to lowercase. See the formula. The lower function converts the rest of the string to lowercase. You can also use this formula to achieve the same thing. Lower A4 converts the entire text into lowercase. Upper left A4, 1 converts the first letter of the text string in the cell into the uppercase. Replace function is used to only replace the first character with the uppercase version of it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.